Hello my friends, crypto enthusiast and crypto investor, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me announce it. I want to share my view that good trade is very hard enough, because what really hard smashing few wins than watching your stablecoin dropping freeze over the night. Yeah, I am talking about the 2023 incident USDC depeg of this circle. Yes, USDC in 2023, 8% gone, like this one. There you can check it JPEG, and market research is also telling about it. And now if we want something that is really interesting is gold, because gold price chart rising versus your USD, you can also check there is also inflation chart. That's why I looking for something that could be stable and something more solid. For that, I have found the Utribe. Like, this is also about the fact that central banks bought over 1,037 ton of gold last year. That is the highest in 255 years. Why? Because gold hold value even when currencies crash. Now, I switch my portfolio into the gift gold from Utribe that has also native token on the Coinstore, and you can also start with Bitmart. And next you can also check that it is the project Utribe. Together we can rise, and you can check here, dear of all the most trusted exchange Coinstore and Bitmart. There you can also check there as seen in Cointelegraph. You can also check about the Utribe acquire lessons to register digital gold. You can also get here that this is 100% backed by the gold store and insured and audited vault by. There is Utribe in Stuttgart, Dubai and Copenhagen, and get this you can start from just $0.1, and you can also get that there is also under fully regulated MiCA and VASP. Alpha European, you can create an account, you can do KYC, and then payment method is Z-Code, USDC mobile money, and get this by gift gold. And you can also get instantly sub. And now if we come to the Bitmart, there you can also check something interesting on the platform. There is the price has been increased in green, mean this is going to change its worth. And now I just head to the Bitmart. You can also search here TIFT with USDT, and then you can also get the page where you can come to buy or sell. There is everything, and claim the leaderboard. You get the crypto style liquidity without holding something that can vanish over the night. Honestly, I would done this sooner. I am done parking profit in risky stable. Now I and my trade land in something timeless. Yes, you can also check everything is now available. Start and let your win actually stay win gold for all. And here is the Utribe where you can get information about how it is the technology that is going to providing the fight for inflation, transparent fractional, and you can grab these solutions too. This is the secure ecosystem where you can read about the frequently asked questions as well, and you can be a part of it because there are many featuring. And there now I am going to. If you have any question or curious still now, you can join us on our channel. Ask in the comment box. We will respond to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.